Winter gardening secrets that professional growers don't want you to know. While everyone waits for spring, experienced gardeners are already setting up their beds for explosive growth. I'm Sam, and on Seniors Gardening Advice, we're breaking down exactly which perennials to get in the ground right now for the strongest, most vibrant displays you've ever seen. Here's something that might surprise you. January isn't just acceptable for planting certain perennials, it's actually optimal. The conventional wisdom says wait for warmer weather, but that advice costs gardeners months of root development. The plants we're discussing transform winter dormancy into productive underground growth, establishing powerful root systems while competitors sit on shelves in garden centers. Before we jump into our specific recommendations, I need you to do something important. Hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell. The techniques we share on Seniors Gardening Advice have helped thousands of gardeners achieve results they never thought possible, and I don't want you missing future videos that could revolutionize your garden. Drop a comment telling me which perennial you're most excited to try, and if you find this information valuable, share it with your gardening friends. Trust me, they'll thank you when their gardens are thriving. The science behind winter planting is straightforward but powerful. When soil temperatures drop and daylight decreases, plants shift their energy priorities. Instead of pushing tender new shoots that frost could damage, these hardy perennials channel everything into root expansion. Those roots spread deeper and wider without competition from leaf production. When spring warmth finally arrives, you've got plants with established networks ready to support explosive growth. Let's get into the specific varieties that excel with this approach.
Perennial number 1. Echinacea sombrero poco hot coral. This contemporary coneflower represents everything we look for in a winter-planted perennial. Traditional coneflowers have their place, but they often disappoint with floppy stems and inconsistent performance. The sombrero series changed the game entirely. Poco hot coral stays naturally compact without requiring constant intervention. The stems develop thick and sturdy, supporting those gorgeous coral blooms without staking or propping. When you plant this variety during January's cool period, it directs every bit of energy into building a foundation that will support months of flowering later. The root development happening beneath frozen ground is remarkable. These roots push deep into the soil, far beyond what spring-planted specimens achieve in their first season. This depth translates directly into drought resilience and heat tolerance, critical advantages as summers grow more unpredictable. In practical garden applications, this coneflower shines in multiple settings. Sunny borders gain vibrant color that pollinators absolutely love. Bees and butterflies flock to the blooms, creating movement and life in the garden. The plant maintains a tidy appearance in front or middle perennial bed positions, never overwhelming neighbors or requiring frequent grooming. The beauty of January planting is the time it provides. The plant acclimates slowly, adjusting to your specific soil conditions and microclimate without stress. When spring growth begins, it emerges strong, rather than struggling to adapt and grow simultaneously. Remember to give this one a like if you're learning something new. It helps more gardeners discover these proven techniques.
Perennial number 2. Biden's Campfire Marshmallow. Many gardeners overlook Biden's as a winter planting candidate, assuming it's strictly a warm season plant. That assumption leaves serious performance on the table. Campfire Marshmallow demonstrates why early establishment matters even for heat-loving perennials. This cultivar solves the biggest complaint about traditional Biden's, the constant deadheading. Campfire Marshmallow cleans itself, dropping spent blooms naturally and pushing new flowers without your intervention. For gardeners who want beauty without endless maintenance, this trait is golden. January planting allows root systems to anchor before any top growth starts. This sequencing prevents the legginess that plagues spring-planted Biden's. Instead of stretching upward prematurely, the plant builds a balanced structure underground first. When temperatures rise, growth emerges evenly across the entire root zone, creating full, symmetrical plants. Those clean, white blooms appear continuously once flowering begins, creating bright accents that pop against green foliage. Along pathways and border edges, Campfire Marshmallow softens hard lines while spilling gently without becoming invasive. Mixed beds benefit from its long bloom period and minimal care requirements. The establishment period during winter months pays dividends all season.
Plants develop resilience to environmental stress, bounce back quickly from occasional neglect, and maintain their appearance through weather fluctuations that damage less established specimens. Share this video with someone who's always wanted a lower maintenance garden. This kind of smart plant selection changes everything. Perennial number 3, Brunnera Jack of Diamonds. Foliage perennials deserve more attention than they typically receive. While flowers grab headlines, outstanding leaf displays provide months of interest that fleeting blooms can't match. Jack of Diamonds exemplifies foliage excellence, particularly when establishing during winter months. Those oversized, heart-shaped leaves with striking silver veining create drama in shaded areas where flowering options disappoint. This modern cultivar significantly outperforms older Brunnera varieties in vigor and stress tolerance. The improvements aren't subtle, they're immediately visible in garden performance. Cool season root establishment sets this perennial up for long-term success. The roots spread methodically through winter soil, creating networks that support those large leaves without strain. Spring emergence reveals fuller plants with robust foliage that maintains quality throughout the season. Challenging locations become opportunities with Jack of Diamonds. Shady borders under trees, north-facing foundation beds, and other difficult spots transform when you choose perennials adapted to those conditions. The silver-veined foliage brightens darkness in ways that paint and hardscaping can't replicate. Maintenance requirements stay minimal once establishment finishes. The plant handles its responsibilities independently, developing new leaves, maintaining appearance, and improving year after year without constant intervention from you. If you haven't subscribed to Seniors Gardening Advice yet, do it now. We're building a community of gardeners who work smarter, not harder, and you belong here with us. Perennial number 4, Hosta Shadowland Miss America. Hostas have earned their reputation as shade garden staples, but not all hostas deliver equally. Shadowland Miss America represents modern breeding at its finest, with improvements that directly address traditional hosta weaknesses. Leaf thickness matters more than most gardeners realize. Those thicker leaves on Miss America resist damage from dry periods, competition with tree roots, and general environmental stress. This durability means established plants maintain their appearance through conditions that leave older varieties looking ragged. Winter planting minimizes transplant shock while maximizing establishment time. Hostas appreciate this approach, settling deeply before spring growth demands begin. The result shows in fuller clumps with superior leaf structure and balanced proportions. Design flexibility makes Miss America valuable across varied situations. Shady borders gain reliable structure and texture. Foundation plantings beneath trees achieve cohesive appearances. Combinations with Brunnera, ferns, and other shade lovers create layered interest that evolves throughout the season. The improvement this hosta shows year over year is satisfying to watch. Each season brings slightly better performance as the plant matures and expands. That progression from good to excellent happens with minimal input from you, exactly what smart gardening should deliver. Drop a comment about your biggest shade gardening challenge. We read every comment and use your questions to guide future content on Seniors Gardening Advice. Perennial number 5. Nepeta cat's meow catmint varieties vary wildly in garden performance. Some sprawl unattractively, others split open at the center, and many need aggressive cutting back to maintain appearance. Cat's meow eliminates these frustrations through superior genetics and proper planting timing. This compact modern selection maintains a tidy habit naturally. The plant doesn't require your constant management to look presentable. Early January planting reinforces that inherent tidiness by promoting dense, balanced growth from the start. Root establishment during cool months creates plants ready to perform immediately when spring arrives. Those lavender blue blooms appear earlier and last longer on winter-planted specimens compared to spring-planted alternatives. The extended bloom period and drought tolerance make this perennial incredibly practical for busy gardeners. Applications range from border edging to walkway companions to front edge perennial bed anchors. The soft color integrates easily with coneflowers, salvias, and ornamental grasses, creating combinations that feel intentional without requiring design expertise. Maintenance after establishment drops to nearly nothing. The plant handles drought without complaint, blooms without deadheading, and maintains its shape without cutting back. This is gardening that works with your schedule instead of demanding time you don't have.
Perennial number 6, Gaillardia Gusto Orange Zest. Blanket flowers have evolved dramatically through breeding programs focused on resilience and performance. Gusto Orange Zest represents the current pinnacle. Plants that deliver reliable color in challenging conditions with minimal intervention. First-year performance often disappoints with perennials planted in spring. They spend so much energy adapting that blooming suffers. Winter-planted Gusto Orange Zest avoids this problem entirely, establishing thoroughly before flowering begins. The result is strong first-year displays that many perennials can't match. Root development during January's cool window translates into summer toughness. Those deep roots access moisture that shallow-rooted plants miss during dry spells. Heat tolerance improves significantly, and stem strength increases, supporting more blooms with less flopping. Difficult garden locations find solutions in Gusto Orange Zest. Hot, exposed areas where other perennials struggle become showcases for these fiery orange blooms. Rock gardens gain reliable color. Sunny borders achieve non-stop interest from early summer through fall. The reduced need for watering and deadheading frees your time for projects you actually enjoy instead of constant plant maintenance. Smart plant selection makes this freedom possible. Make sure you're subscribed to Seniors Gardening Advice and hit that like button to support practical gardening content that respects your time and intelligence. Perennial number 7. Heuchera Dolce Sultry Night. Foliage perennials provide backbone that flowering perennials can't deliver alone. Dolce Sultry Night brings rich, dark foliage with staying power, maintaining quality throughout the growing season regardless of what's blooming around it. This modern Heuchera cultivar addresses problems that plagued earlier varieties. Color stability improves dramatically. The dark foliage holds its intensity instead of fading. Light tolerance expands, performing in shade through part-sun exposures. The compact, controlled habit prevents the sprawling that makes some Heucheras difficult to manage. Winter planting encourages strong crown development and robust root anchoring. When spring arrives, leaf production emerges from a solid foundation, resulting in thicker crowns and better overall plant structure. Established plants show resilience that first-year specimens lack. Design applications multiply with this versatile perennial. Shade borders gain depth and contrast. Pathways develop definition. Positions beneath taller perennials receive grounding that ties compositions together. The dark foliage works as a design anchor, creating visual weight that balances brighter elements. Longevity with Dolce Sultry Night extends beyond typical perennial lifespans. Proper establishment through winter planting sets plants up to improve annually, becoming more impressive as they mature rather than declining after initial peak performance. The plant-it-and-forget-it philosophy isn't about abandoning your garden. It's about intelligent choices that align plant capabilities with garden conditions and your available time. When you select resilient perennials and plant them during optimal windows, you're investing in years of reliable performance instead of constant troubleshooting. Winter planting provides advantages that spring installation simply can't replicate. Root development proceeds without competition from top growth. Plants acclimate slowly to your specific conditions. Establishment finishes before summer stress arrives. These advantages compound over the growing season and across multiple years. The perennials we've discussed represent proven performers that reward early planting with superior results. Stronger root systems support better drought tolerance. Improved structure reduces staking and propping needs. Enhanced resilience means fewer problems and less intervention from you. Starting smart changes everything in the garden. Single planting sessions during winter's quiet period eliminate repeated efforts later. These perennials settle in and handle their responsibilities season after season, improving rather than declining as they mature.
Your garden deserves plants that work as hard as you do. The varieties we've covered deliver exactly that, reliable beauty with minimal demands on your time and energy. Winter planting positions them for optimal success, giving you gardens that thrive instead of merely surviving. If this video helped you rethink your planting schedule, let us know in the comments. Share it with gardening friends who are still waiting for spring to get started. Subscribe to Seniors Gardening Advice for more strategies that make gardening more rewarding and less demanding. We're here every week with practical advice that actually works in real gardens. Get these perennials in the ground now. Let winter work for you instead of against you. Watch your garden transform into the low-maintenance, high-impact landscape you've always wanted. Smart planting today means better gardens tomorrow and for seasons to come.